Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account on My Sun Pharma. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then type in My Sun Pharma 1HR login in the search box of your browser and then start your search. Now, from the search results, click on the first link which says My Sun Pharma login, and this will take you into the login portal. Now, within the username section, type in the username that you have been given by the HR team while creating your account, and then underneath type in your password within the password box. You can choose what kind of login you have used using the drop down menu and make sure to choose the correct option. You can then click on the submit button and you will be logged in to your My Sun Pharma HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, after entering the incorrect password, you will see the options that you can click on in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account on My Sun Pharma. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.